The lecture exams. Here we are on the modules page of the course that can be accessed by clicking the second button down in the main menu on the left side of the screen. As you will see, there are modules for each subject in the course, and as you scroll down from minerals to igneous rocks to sedimentary and then metamorphic, you find Exam 1 beneath metamorphic rocks. Exam 1 covers all of those subjects going back to minerals. Below Exam 1 we have 3 more modules, and then we find Exam 2. Exam 2 covers those 3 subjects since Exam 1. Below Exam 2 there are 4 modules, and each of those subjects is covered in Exam 3. Going back up to Exam 1, once you've completed the modules before Exam 1, you are then ready to take the exam. To do so, you click on the name in the module. This takes you to a page with information for the exam, including the due date and availability which match, the amount of points the exam is, and the number of questions. Exams 1, 2, and 3 all are comprised of 50 multiple choice questions covering the subjects for that portion of the course. There's also a 90-minute time limit for each of the exams 1, 2, and 3. You also see there are instructions for the exam telling you about it. So for Exam 1, this is a 50 multiple choice question exam, the same number of questions that will appear on Exams 2 and 3, and it covers material in the lessons from minerals, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Exams 2 and 3 will tell you each of the modules and subjects that they cover. You have one attempt to take the exam, and you must complete it within the 1 hour and 30-minute time limit once you start it. Watch the clock because the exam will auto-submit once you have reached the 90-minute limit. Remember, the multiple choice questions from each of the subjects in an exam are taken randomly from pools of questions that were the same pools used to generate the quizzes. When you are ready to start the exam, you click the Take the Quiz button to begin.